Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about System Verilog for verification. To start with, before learning System Verilog, we should know why this System Verilog was created in the first place. When we have an hardware description language like Verilog, why this System Verilog comes into picture? So in late 1990s, we have Verilog as a hardware description language which is mostly used for simulation and synthesis. The initial two versions of Verilog like 1995 1364 1995 1364 2001, these two versions not able to support complex constructs. These support only simple constructs. So as the design complexity increases, so as the verification needs also increases. This motivates companies to move through this unified language. Some of the unified languages, initially they tried using OpenVera, and gradually they moved on to developing their own language. In around 2005, a standard was developed which is 1800 2005, which is called as System Verilog, and this is for the purpose of like one of the hardware verification language. Now people took this Verilog as well, 1364 2005, and these two were merged in to form a single language which is used for both design as well as verification. So now we have an unified language for design as well as verification. So this makes it very simplified for engineers to both design and verification as well. And why we need an unified language in the first place? Generally, these verification and design are seen as two different aspects. So this leads bifurcation of engineers into two different categories, like the designers as well as these design engineers as well as the verification engineers. System Verilog is one such language which is going to resolve these issues. So let's, for example, if we have a design engineer who is not able to write a OOPS test bench, object oriented test bench, can read most of the things straight away from this test bench, he can use for the things that he want to do. A designer can design assertions for a block where he is intended to do, and verification engineer is a good person to write assertions between the blocks, between two different blocks. So overall it is like a coordinating, like we have a unified language, we need not move into other language. Let's say designer has separate language and verification engineer is using separate language, this might create some chaos. So when we have this simple straight away unified language, we can go with the language for both verification as well as design. So this solves many issues. Later on in this course, we will be seeing all the advantages having an unified language.